Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, which is an emergency episode, I'm just helping my friend slash co-worker Loretta with her problems with her 2012 Toyota Prius. Now, on her car, this is the high beam and this is the low beam. For the low beam, it's supposed to be H11. For the high beam, it's 9005. That's the model. So don't get it switched, and before you buy anything, make sure you check which ones are broken and which one's the low beam and high beam. So now we're going to start replacing the low beam. Now, when you take it off, if you're facing it, you're going to turn it clockwise, then pull it off. If you're looking it from the back, you're going to turn it counterclockwise, like a quarter turn to pull off the headlight. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Since I'm facing it, I'm going to do it clockwise and pull the headlight off. Now with our headlight, just press on the locking mechanism tab on the connector and pull out the headlight. Like that. So this is the one that's busted, and this is the new one. Again, it's H11. We'll show you later how it looks like when it's connected. And for the youths out there, never touch the bulb because your hand's moisture is gonna burn out the bulb if you touch it. So never touch this bulb, and if you have gloves, put gloves on. Now, first thing you do is put this in first, and just the opposite of what you said. Now I have to turn it clockwise if you're facing it from behind. Then I'm gonna put the connector on. Now I'm gonna hold on to the camera and Loretta's gonna turn on the car. And that's the low beam. As you can see, the low beams are outside and the high beams are the one that's inside.
Show the high beam.
There's the high beams. There you go. That's how you replace a headlight. Would you mind filming again? And that is how you replace a headlight bulb on a 2012 Toyota Prius. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjun, and thank you for watching.